Hello dear students, today in this fractions chapter you will learn division. First let us learn division of a fractional number by a whole number. Okay, divide 3 upon 5 by 9, that is 3 upon 5 divided by 9. Okay, here 3 upon 5 is a fractional number and 9 is a whole number, right? So 3 upon 5 divided by 9 upon 1. To divide 3 upon 5 by 9 upon 1, first we have to change division symbol into multiplication symbol, and we have to write the reciprocal of 9 upon 1. Okay, that is 3 upon 5, then multiplication symbol, then reciprocal of 9 upon 1, that is 1 upon 9. Okay, now we can cancel 3 ones or 3 threes or 9. Right, then multiply the numerators, that is 1 into 1, denominators 5 into 3. 1 ones or 1 by 3 fives or how much? That is 15. So we get 1 upon 15. When we divide 3 upon 5 by 9, we get 1 upon 15. Okay, have you understand? Divide 4 1 upon 2 by 3. 4 1 upon 2 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 2 fours or 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. We get improper fraction. Now we have to divide 9 upon 2 by this 3. That is 9 upon 2 divided by 3. 3 can be written 9 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 1. Okay, to divide, first we have to change division symbol into multiplication symbol, then we have to write the reciprocal of 3 upon 1, that is 9 upon 2 multiplication symbol, then reciprocal of 3 upon 1, that is 1 upon 3. Now we can cancel 3 ones or 3 threes or 9. So multiply the numerators, 3 into 1 upon 2 into 1. 3 ones or 3, 2 ones or 2. So we get 3 upon 2. When we divide 4 1 upon 2 by 3, we will get 3 upon 2. Okay, then let us learn division of a whole number by a fractional number. Divide 18 by 4 1 upon 2. Here 4 1 upon 2 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, that is 4 1 upon 2, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 2. Okay, now we have to divide 18 by this 9 upon 2, that is 18 divided by 9 upon 2. To divide 18 by this 9 upon 2, first we have to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol, then we have to write the reciprocal of a whole number. That means we have to write the reciprocal of 18, that is 18 upon 1 divided by 9 upon 2 is equal to 18 upon 1. The reciprocal of 18 upon 1 is 1, and change division symbol into multiplication symbol, then 9 upon 2. Now we can cancel, right? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Then multiply the numerators, that is 1 into 1. Then multiply the denominators, 2 into 2. 1 ones are 1. 5, 2 twos are 4. So we get 1 upon 4 by divide 18 by 4, 1 upon 2. Like this we can divide whole number by a fractional number. 27 divided by 9 upon 2. We have to divide 27 by this 9 upon 2. To divide 27 by 9 upon 2, first write the reciprocal of 27, then change division symbol into multiplication symbol, then write 9 upon 2. Okay, 27 by 1 divided by 9 upon 2. The reciprocal of 27 upon 1 is 1 upon 27. Then we have to change division symbol into multiplication symbol, right? Into, then write 9 upon 2. So now we can cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Then multiply the numerators. 1 ones are 1. Then multiply the denominators. 3 twos are 6. So we got 1 upon 6. Then let us see how to divide a fractional number by another fractional number. Divide 3 upon 5 by 2 upon 5. So here 3 upon 5 is a fractional number and 2 upon 5 is also fractional number. Right. So 3 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 5. To divide 3 upon 5 by 2 upon 5, we have to change division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then we have to write the reciprocal of 2 upon 5. Okay, that is 3 upon 5. Then multiplication symbol. Then reciprocal of 2 upon 5, that is 5 upon 2. Right. 5 and 5 get cancelled. So we left in numerator 3, denominator 2. So we get 3 upon 2. Divide 6 2 upon 5 by 1 3 upon 5. These two fractions are mixed fractions. We have to convert these into improper fraction. Okay. 6 2 upon 5. 5 6 or how much? 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 upon 5. Then 1 3 upon 5. 5 ones or 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 upon 5. Now we have to divide 32 upon 5 divided by 8 upon 5. Right. To divide 32 upon 5 by 8 upon 5, first we have to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then we have to write the reciprocal of 8 upon 5. Okay. 32 upon 5. Write multiplication symbol. Then reciprocal of 8 upon 5, that is 5 upon 8. Okay. 5 get cancelled. 8 ones are 8. 8 4s are 32. So we left 4. We get 4 when we divide 6 2 upon 5 by 1 3 upon 5. Okay, have you understand, students? So this is the division of fractions. I hope you all are clear about how to divide a fractional number by a whole number and how to divide whole number by fractional number and how to divide fractional number by another fractional number. Thank you.